Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My question is double of 1 by 4. So most of you think that the answer is 1 by 8 because double of 1 by 4 is 1 by 8, but it is wrong. We have to make double of 1 by 4. So double mean 2. Double mean 2 of mean multiplication 1 by 4. So 2 is now multiplied by 1. So it will be 2 by 4. Now it is simple cancellation to 1s are, and to do that, so our answer will be equal to 1 by 2. So double of 1 by 4 is not 1 by 8, it's 1 by 2. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.